on the scene. Venice Beach. The gang's all here. Labor Day weekend 2020. Hard to believe. Party time. Get gelato, what have you. Lakers lost the first game. Very intriguing. That makes for a very intriguing series. The bubble. How do you think it happened? There's Tim Shredder shredding.
Did they benching LeBron, or was he staying to the end trying?
He probably came out in a couple minutes with a minute or two left. Shredder.
Well, here. Made it.
Shredder Bob. That's all right. That's all right. I don't care. That's why I say I'm streaming live. See, everyone does it, but they do it with phones. They think it's weird when it's with the camera.
And they have, right, exactly.
Which is kind of funny.
Thank you very much.
They all do it all day with the phone, yeah.
Excuse me, I said I pull Chris Walken.
You know, if I didn't have the camera out, Shredder wouldn't have pulled up, you know? It attracted him.
We're going to have a lot of people rolling out a little late tonight.
Spidey. What's the word, Shredder? Thunderbird.
Because I like the vibe tonight. He goes,
It's always the same at Venice. It's always the same. A lot of characters, let's chill.
absolutely.
Let's chill.
Do you have a USB plug?
Not at the moment. What do you need? A charge?
Yeah.
Or upload?
Yeah, I go with my buddy, the fucking, I have the wire. I got a phone. Wingnuts got a phone. 428-4128.
You on social media yet, Wingnut?
Yeah.
Social media? You got an Instagram? Dogtown Shredder.
Yeah.
Keep it herbal.
Dogtown Forever homepage.